Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by s. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor because this is about linear differential equation. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that 2 over s including the positive side next to y, that is for integrating factor. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln(s). Later that number 2 will go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s squared. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Now we simplify this one, we have 2s, this one we have s, this one we have number 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply it about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equal to ab. So the integration of that one, we have s squared y. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 1, that is about s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.